everyone, what is up? So I am feeling a little bit under the weather. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my nose. I sound a little bit stopped up. My kids both got head colds and then I couldn't dodge the bullet and I wound up catching it. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't have to go through this much longer and I can get back to feeling normal. I know during the editing process of this video, I'm just going to be cringing so hard because of how my nose is making my voice sound. But today we are going to be trying on some contacts from IMUA. So if you would like to see what they sent over, then just stay tuned. So inside this little package, it is so cute. It says Jelly for Your Eyes, MUA. They sent over some contact cases, as well as a little hand mirror. And inside this package, you guys, it is so cute. There are these little gummy bears, as well as these little stars, and they look like jelly. So cute. Fits right with the theme. And they were kind enough to send over 4 pairs of contacts. And the packaging on these are absolutely gorgeous. They're just these little AI models, but they look so cute. So pretty. But jumping into these contacts that they sent over, we have Jinx Blue, Jinx Gray, Jinx Brown, and Jinx Green. So let's go ahead and try these on. Okay, so I'm going to start out with Jinx Blue. And inside these little contact cases, not only do you have the case, but you also have a couple tools as well to help you get the contact in and out of your eye. And there is what Jinx Blue looks like. All right, so now we are going to do Jinx Gray. These are so easy to get in. Wow. And there is Jinx Gray. All right, moving right along to Jinx Brown. And there is Jinx Brown. And last but not least, we've got Jinx Green. These look absolutely beautiful, so I know they're going to look stunning on the eye. Wow. Really pretty. And that is Jinx Green. And that is all of the contacts that IMUA sent over. Let me know which ones were your favorite. I personally love the Jinx Green. I think they are just so gorgeous. And what I love about these contacts, you guys, is they are just not one singular color. They have colors throughout the entire contact. So like the edge is like a darker color and then there's color throughout the entire contact. So beautiful. Makes it look a little bit more realistic, which I love. And yeah, these are just so gorgeous. They are so easy to get on and very comfortable as well. Once again, sorry about my nose situation. I am not feeling the greatest and yeah, hopefully we can get over this really soon. And I know I'm going to watch this back and totally be in cringe mode, but it is what it is. We all get sick and that's what I'm dealing with right now. I just want to say a big thank you to IMUA for sending me these contacts to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.